Get ready for some thrilling updates for those eagerly awaiting the arrival of the OnePlus 13. The latest buzz suggests that OnePlus is gearing up to introduce some impressive features in its upcoming flagship smartphone. A well-known tech insider digital chat station shared a big leak about the display of the upcoming OnePlus 13 on Weibo. OnePlus 13 is rumored to boast an expansive 6.8-inch micro-curved display operating at a crisp 2K resolution. Building on the success of its predecessors, the device is expected to incorporate LTPO technology, promising improved battery efficiency, reminiscent of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Magic 6 Pro. Just like these models, OnePlus is aiming for a near-borderless display with minimal bezels on all sides, offering a stunning viewing experience. Say goodbye to the circular camera module. OnePlus is opting for a vertical layout similar to the OnePlus Nord, housing a triple camera setup comprising a super-wide main and telephoto periscope shooter. This innovative design not only enhances aesthetics, but also facilitates seamless camera transitions for capturing your moments with ease. Talking about the design of the OnePlus 13, the device is expected to feature a sleek design with refined color options. While the final design is yet to be confirmed, leaks suggest that OnePlus might incorporate Hasselblad color accents, adding a touch of sophistication to the device. OnePlus is also rumored to introduce a punch-hole selfie shooter, further streamlining the display and offering an uninterrupted viewing experience. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is speculated to pack a powerful processor. Rumors suggest the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, featuring the cutting-edge Snapdragon flagship silicon. This powerhouse is set to revolutionize mobile platforms with its Orion CPU architecture, promising lightning-fast performance and enhanced efficiency. The OnePlus 13 may come equipped with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, ensuring fast and secure authentication even in damp conditions. With leaks suggesting impressive benchmark scores surpassing even Apple's M2 processor, the OnePlus 13 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the smartphone market. Mark your calendars for October as OnePlus prepares to unveil its latest masterpiece, promising an unforgettable experience for tech enthusiasts worldwide. Are you excited about the OnePlus 13? Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.